Welcome guys. So in this video I wasn't able to give you a close-up and how I actually changed the needle, but I did put some instructions on the video so you guys can pause the video and read, or you can write it down in a book and then you can watch my hands and see if you can do it, or I don't know, but I hope this helps. But guys, please take note of all these instructions because these are very important, and to care for your machine you want to make sure that you do everything right, and also it's for your safety. You don't want to damage your hand or hurt yourself. And as I've said before guys, I'm sorry about the fact that I wasn't able to give you a close-up and how I changed the needle, but I hope instructions that I put in on the screen in red is okay for you guys. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and if there's anything that I've missed out, you can feel free to write it down in the comments. Okay, and for changing the needle, it took me around, I think it's about 7 minutes. It depends if you have everything at the spot with you, it won't take that long, but for me, and it's actually my first time changing it, so I'm very proud of myself. See, I am finished. I should say congratulations to myself, but hey, you are reading too.